right, hello YouTubers. So, I have a question for you. Do you like saving money? Because I do. And I like saving money anywhere I can. And that means if I have to buy one less product, then I will do that and make it myself. So, my friend ended up giving me some hair detangler. It's empty. But I don't want to spend the money buying more hair detangler. So I'm going to show you how to make your own so you can save money. If there is a product that I can make myself, I will do it. And you only have to use 3 ingredients to make this. You need water. And I have here about a cup of water. And I have a fork. I have olive oil. Most people have olive oil or you have avocado oil. So you need that. And everybody in their house has conditioner. It doesn't matter what kind of conditioner it is. It's whatever you use. It could be VO5, it could be Suave, it could be Pantene, it could be, I don't know, what else is out there that you use. I don't know all the brands because I always use this one. So we're gonna make our own detangler. Now this bottle is a 12 ounce, so I can add another batch. But I'm just gonna show you a simple. So let me turn you around. Okay, so you're gonna want water. You can start with half a cup, but because I doubled the batch, I'm doing 1 cup. So I'm gonna use 2 teaspoons of the conditioner. Right into the water. Try to get all of it out. And then I'm going to go in with olive oil. You don't need a lot of olive oil. You just need 1 to 2 drops. So just a couple of drops. Then you're just going to mix it. Right into your measuring cup. Oh, this smells so good. Oh my gosh. That smells absolutely delicious. Okay. Then you're going to just get your empty bottle. And hopefully I could do this without spilling it. You're just going to pour it, sorry, let me turn you. You're just going to pour it right into your empty bottle. Okay? And it filled it till about right here. So 1 cup for this size bottle. This is a 12 ounce. It's perfect. Then you're just going to give it a shake. Make sure everything's shaken up. Okay? Then, okay. So then, you're going to use it. Now for me, I get tangles underneath the neck, like underneath here. And my son, who has really long hair, gets tangles. Do you hear that? Do you hear that coming out? Look. Look at that. Homemade detangler, y'all. Okay? Don't go spending money on hair detangler when you have the ingredients to make it yourself. Look at that. Look at that. No tangles. Look. Isn't that amazing? And the olive oil will make your hair shiny. The conditioner will stay in your hair and keep it from tangling. Simple. Make your own. Save money. Use what you have. Okay, if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, hit the bell, hit the thumbs up. It costs you nothing. And spread the word to your family and friends about my channel. You never know what you're going to get. Yes, I also do offer a membership fee if you want to be a member. It's a flat rate of $3.99. And so it's just a way to support me and my channel. And yeah, so thank you guys for watching. Leave in the comment below. Try this. If you have an empty bottle, just make your own. You don't have to go out and buy new products or anything like that. Use the oil that you have already, just a little bit, conditioner, and water. I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.